Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tutorials Vista. In today's video, we are going to learn about the anchor tag. So let us first see the theoretical part of anchor tag. So anchor tag is represented by angle brackets A, angle brackets and a closed A. So A over here defines the hyperlink. Let us first understand the meaning of hyperlink, that what actually a hyperlink is. It is a word or a group of words or an image on which you can click and navigate to another document. So links are of three types. First is the visited link, second is unvisited link, and the third is active link. Visited link is underline and purple, like as I've shown over here, and unvisited link is underline and blue, and an active link is underline and red. So you have already addressed this thing on Google Chrome, like the link that you are clicking on for the first time is blue in color and underline, and the link that you have already visited is purple and underline, and an active link on the link that you have clicked and you are already visiting that page, that link is red and underline. Now let us discuss about the most important attribute of anchor tag. It is the href attribute. It is the most important attribute of anchor tag. It indicates the destination of the link, that the link is given. If you click on that link, to which destination the link is going to open, it is indicated by the href attribute. So I think this theoretical part is clear to all of you. Let us see an example of how anchor tag works. So here, for your convenience, I have already saved this file. Please remember to save the file with .html extension. So let's start over here. First we'll write the HTML. The title I'm giving over here is anchor tag. So in the body I'm going to write a heading. Let's give the heading as h2 and href, the reference. So https, for just an example, I'm going to give here the link of a generic website like google.com, and I'm writing here search, and I'm closing the anchor tag, and also I'm going to close the heading. So save this file with a shortcut Ctrl+S, and let's open it in the browser and see the search over here is purple and underline. This means I have already visited this link. Now I'm going to click on this link and it has opened Google for us. So guys, this is how anchor tag works. So now let us dive into the main code and see how an image, email, link, phone number can be used as a link. Firstly, we are going to do this for an image. Let us remove this code. So I'm removing this from here, and let's start to do it for the image. Firstly, we are going to give the link. So anchor href, and I'm going to give the link of Google again, google.com. Enter, and here I'm going to give the link of the image. Image source is sample1.jpg, and here I'm going to give the width and height of image. Width I'm going to give 200 pixel and height I'm going to give 200 also. So now we have already closed the anchor tag. Let us save this file. Now we are going to view it in the browser. So as you can see, the cursor, when we are going to place it on the image, it is becoming this hand like. It means that this image is acting like a link. Now we are going to click on this link, and now it has opened Google for us. This means this link is also working, and we have now seen how an image can be used. So now we are going to see how we can open a link in the same browser window or a next browser window or another browser window. To open a link in new browser window, we have another attribute of anchor tag which is called target. we can have two options for target. Either we can give it underscore self, let me show you. So yes, either we can give it underscore self or we can give it underscore blank. If you give it as underscore self, it is going to open in the same tab or in the same window. If you are going to give it underscore blank, it is going to open in the new tab. So now let us see both of the examples. So I am going to remove it from here, and here I am going to place the target. We are going to give it underscore blank first, and we are giving a link over here called as visit Google. So I'm going to close this anchor tag, save this file, and view how it's gonna react in browser. So I'm going let me give it an H2 for you, as so that you can see this visit Google is blue and underline over here. I'm going to refresh it again. So I'm going to open this link, and it has opened google.com for us, that too in the next tab. So this is a working of underscore blank. Now I'm going to show the example how self works. We are going to save this file and open it in. So I'm going to refresh it and click on this link. So it has opened Google in the same tab for us. We are going to see how we can link to an email address through anchor tag. I'm going to remove this thing. We are going to give href as mail to a colon, and here we can write any email on which you want to send an automatic email. So I'm here taking an example, and next I'm going to give a link. We are going to close the anchor tag over here, and we are also going to close the heading. I'm going to save this file and let's view it in the browser. So here it's blue, which means this link has not visited before. I'm going to click on this link. So this has opened this mailbox for me. So this is how anchor tag can be used to send an automatic email. The next and the last thing which we are going to learn in today's video is how to automatically dial a number through anchor tag. So here I'm going to write TEL, a colon, and a number on which you want to automatically dial. So this is the number. I'm going to give a text link over here, and I'm going to close the anchor tag. Also I'm going to close the heading tag. I'm going to save this file, view it in browser, and this is our link, blue in color. I'm going to click on this link, and now here it is giving me an option to call from my phone. So I'm going to close it from here. You can click on that phone and dial to the number that you have given over here. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope the concepts are clear to everybody. So guys, please subscribe to our channel, share this video to your friends and family, like this video, and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications of our videos. Thank you.